To SPSC online classes, and I am your maths teacher. And students, now we are going to solve math assignment number 14 of grade 6. Okay beta, as we are doing chapter 3 and we have already done 3a exercise. Now today we are going to solve 3b exercise. So before starting the new exercise, first we will revise some previous point related to previous assignment. Fine. Okay beta, a significant figure, as we have already discussed in the previous lecture, that what is the mean of significant figure and what is the exact definition of significant figure. Significant figure are used to reflect the degree of accuracy. Fine. A number is more accurate when it is given to a greater number of significant figure. This is the exact definition of significant figure. So as we have already discussed, there are 5 rules. So in rule first, we have discussed that all the non-zero digits are significant. Let's suppose 9, 5, 4, 3. So there are no any zero. So all the non-zero digits. There are how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 non-zero digits. So all the 4 digits are significant. Fine. And in rule 2, zeros between the non-zeros are significant. Let 3, 0, 0, 2, 5. So the zeros between the non-zeros digit 3, 2, 5, these are the non-zero digits. So zeros between the non-zero digits are significant. It means there are how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And rule 3, in decimal number, the zeros after the non-zero digits are significant. Let's suppose 0.02560. So the zero after the non-zero digit are significant. It means 0 is significant here. I am not saying the zeros before the non-digit. I am saying that the zero after the non-zero digits are significant. It means there are how many significant figures? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in rule 4, in decimal number, decimal means the number that have decimal point. Decimal number, the zeros before the non-zero digits are not significant. 0.0032. So the zeros before the non-zero digit, these are the non-zero digits 3 and 2, and the zeros before the non-zero digits are not significant. It means we will not count these 2, 3, 2 and 0.002. It means 3 0. We cannot count these 3 zeros. So how many significant figures are here? 2, 1 and 2. And rule 5 is that in a whole number means without decimal point number are called a whole number. In whole number, the zeros at the end may or may not be significant. It depends on situation. Let's suppose 9800. These zero may be significant or may not be significant. It depends on situation, given situation. So this was your prior knowledge. Prior knowledge means the previous knowledge. Fine. Understood beta? Now come on the new point. So today I will tell you about the 2 new points. The first one is rounding. That how we can round a number. And the second point is truncation error. That what is the mean of truncation error and what is the main difference between rounding and truncation. Rounding means let a number is 2.2 2.77643 and so on. And they are saying that round off this number to 3 decimal place, on 3 decimal place. So how we can round off on 3 decimal place? 3 decimal place means that after the decimal point just 3 digits have. So how we can find the answer? 2.77, 3 digits mean 1, 2, 3 and underline this digit and circle the next digit. So 4 is less than 5. It means 776. This is our answer after rounding to on 3 decimal place. Fine. And truncation means, let this is a number 4, 3 and they are saying that truncation mean cut off the end. Fine. So if they are saying that truncate this number to on 2 decimal place, so how we can truncate this number to 2 decimal place? So it's mean after the point just 2 digits have. So 2.77. This is your final answer. Understood, beta? This is no rounding off. Understood? The main difference between rounding and truncation. Rounding means round off and truncation means cut off the end on given situation, according to given situation. Okay, after the explanation, now take out your book and turn out page number 66. First we will start from examples. Okay, now example 4 is 66. And example 4 they are saying that round off each of the following to the number of significant figure as given in brackets. Fine. A number is 8982 and they are saying that round out this number to 2 significant figure. So how we can do this question? Page number 66. Example. Okay, the number is 8982 and they are saying that round out 2 significant figure. Fine. So 8982, how we can round off this number to 2 significant figure? There are 3 steps. Step 1. In step 1 you will count from the left side. So 8982. We will start counting from the left side. This side is called left side and this side is called the right side. So we will start counting from the left side. So 1 and 2. They are saying that 2 significant figure. It means 1, 2. So underline the second digit. Fine. And in step 2, 8982. Then circle the next digit after the highlight digits. And next digit is 8. And as we know that when the circle digit is equal to 5 or greater to 5, then we will add 1 in the underline digit. Fine. So 8 is greater than 5. So it means we will add 1 into the 9. It will become 9 will become 10, write on 0, and then 1 will add into the 8. So it will become 9, 90, and then next all the digits will become 0. So 1, 2, there are 2 digits, we will write 2 0 in third step. Understood? And here, look at here, they are saying that 2 significant, round off 2 significant. It means we have to round off 2 significant figure. So these 2 digits are significant. Fine? But the next 2 zeros, these 2 zeros are not significant. It depends on situation, because they are saying that round off to 2 decimal place, and this is the rule 5, as we have discussed that the zeros after the non-digits may be or may not be significant. It depends on situation, given situation. Fine? Okay. Now come on the B part. Okay, B part is, the number is 0 0.00, 0.006, 0195, and they are saying that round off this number to the 4 significant figure. So there are how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant. The given number in 5 significant figure, and they are saying that round off to 4 significant figure. So how we can round off? Okay beta, what was the rule 4? Do you remember? As we have already discussed, that rule 4, a decimal number. In a decimal number, the zeros before the non-zero digits are not significant. It means these 3 zeros are not significant. So we will start counting from the 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. First write on 0.006, 0195. Beta, now write on again this number. So we will start counting from the left side. It means we will start from the 6. So 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So underline this digit, and then in the next step circle the next digit after the underlined digit. So the next digit is 5, and as we know that when the circle digit or the next digit after the underlined digit is equal to 5 or greater to 5, then we will add 1 into the underlined digit. It means it will become 9, become 10. So write on 0, and then 1 will add into the 1. It will become 2, and then 0, 6, 0, 0.0. And this is your final answer. 0.006020. So how many significant figure are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a 4 significant figure answer. Understood beta? Okay, now come on the C part. C part is 0.9999, 4 times 9. And they are saying that round off to the 3 significant figure. So the given value are in 4 significant figure, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And they are saying a round off to the nearest 3 significant figure. So beta 0 point, we will start counting from the left side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 9.9. So write on here. In first step, 1, 2, 3. Fine. 0.999. Underline this digit and then write on the next digit. In the next step, circle the next digit. So the 9 is greater than 5. It means we will add 1 into the underlined digit. So it will become 10 and 1 will add into the 9 again. It will become 10, 2 and then 1. It will become 10 and 1 will add into the 0. It will become 1. So 1.000. Fine. And so as we know that after the non-digit, the zeros after the non-zero digits are significant. It means they are saying that round off to the 3 decimal place are 3 significant figure. Okay beta, now 1.000. Fine. And as they are saying that round off to the nearest 3 significant figures, so we will write 1.00 just, and this is your answer. And according to rule, as we know that the zeros after the non-zeros are significant, it means we will write 20. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, 3. This is a 3 significant figure answer. Understood beta? Okay. Now come on the practice no questions. Okay, now practice no for question 1. In question 1, they are saying a round off each of the following to the number of significant figure as given in the bracket. So a number is 3748. Look at the first part. 3748, and they are saying that round off this number to the 3 significant figure. So there are how many significant figure? As according to first rule, all non-zeros digits are significant. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means there are 4 significant figure, and they are saying that round off to the nearest 3 significant figure. So how we can round off this number? So as we know that we will start counting from the left side, 1, 2 and 3. So 3, 7, 4. Underline this digit and then write out 8. So 3, 7, 4 and 8 will circle. And as we know that 8 is greater than 5, it means we will add 1 into the underlined digit. So 1 will add into the 4, it will become 5. So 3, 7, 5 and then the next digit becomes 0. But as they are saying that round off to the 3 significant figure, so we will write 375 just, and this is your answer. Understood beta? Okay, and the B part is 0.00470,989. B part 0.00470,989, and they are saying that round off to 4 significant figure. So there are how many significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. According to rule, as we know that the zeros in a decimal number, this is a decimal number due to the decimal point. In a decimal numbers, the zeros before the non-zeros are not significant. It means these 3 zeros are not significant. So we will start counting from the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The given number is 6 significant figure. So they are saying they round off 4 significant figure. So first we will start counting from the left side, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it means 0.00470,989, and then in the next step 0.0047, 0, 9 and circle the next digit. And we will focus on the circle digit. If the circle digit is equal to 5 or greater to 5, then we will add 1 into the underlined digit. So 8 is greater than 5. It means we will add 1 into the 9. It will become 10, write a 0, and then 1 will add into the 0. It will become 1, 7, 4, we will write same, 0, 0.0. And this is a 4 significant figure answer. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay, next two parts are your homework. Do these two parts in notebook. Fine? Okay, now question number 2 of practice 4 is not included in your assignment. So come on the next topic and page number, turn out page number 69. Example 5. Okay, example 5 is the area of the square is 131 centimeters square. Find, in first part they are asking about the length of the square, and in the second part they are asking about the perimeter, that how we can find the length and perimeter. Okay beta, the area of the square is equal to 131 centimeter square. Centimeter square is the unit for area. Fine? And centimeter square is the unit for area, and the centimeter is unit for perimeter. So square means just like this shape. Fine? Square have 4 sides same. 4 same sides. Four same sides. The length of all the sides are same. So let this side is L, then must be L, L, L. All the sides are same. Let's suppose this side, the length of this side is 2 centimeter. This must be 2 centimeter. This must be 2 centimeter, and this must be 2 centimeter. Fine. And they are saying that the area means the space inside the figure is 131 centimeter square. And now they are saying they are find out length and perimeter. Okay, now length, as the area of the square is given, and as we know that the formula of area for a square shape, as we have already done in the previous classes, grade 4, grade 5. Do you remember beta? The area of square formula, area of square is equal to length multiply breadth, and breadth is also length. So it means length multiply length. Here we are talking about the square, not rectangle. So the area of square is length multiply length. Fine. So area of square is given. So 131 centimeter square is equal to length multiply length. The base are same, so power will add length, length. So power will add 1 plus 1, 2. And here we are finding the just L. So how we can remove the 2, power 2? So beta, we can remove the power 2 by taking the square root. So take the square root, go on both sides. Square root on both sides. So the root 131 centimeter square is equal to L square under root. Fine. Okay. Now as we know that the value of under root is equal to 1 by 2. write down the value of under root. So it will become 131 centimeter square. Under root is equal to L square multiply 1 by 2. So 2 can be cancelled with the 2. Now find out the square root of 131. Now find out the square root of 131. 131 square root. So 11.446 centimeter. Centimeter square with cancel with the square root. So this is the value of length, which means L is equal to 11.446 centimeter. Now the length is given, so we can find the perimeter of square. We can find the perimeter of square. As we know that the perimeter formula, perimeter means the sum of outer side, all the outer sides. Square, length plus length, all the sides are same. So the perimeter for a square is equal to 4L. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4L. It means this is the formula for a square shape. Now write down 4L and 4, put the value of L here, 11.446 centimeter. So multiply with 4, 45.78. 45.78 centimeter. This is the perimeter of square, and this is your final answer. Understood, beta? Okay, now do the practice of this, all the examples and questions. Now come on the practice now question. Practice now 5. The area of the square is 105 centimeter square, meter square, and find the length and the perimeter. Now this question is same as we have already done example 5. So it's your task. Complete this question in your notebook. Okay. Now come on the exercise 3B. Now exercise 3B, page number 70. And question 1, exercise 3B and page number 70. Question 1. Question 1 is state the number of significant figure in each of the following. That find out the significant figure, that these number have how many significant figures. The first part, A part. Question 1, A part. A number is 39018. So beta, how many significant figure are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we have already discussed, there are 5 rules. As the second rule was, the zeros between the non-zero digits are significant. It means this 0 is significant. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This number, the given number is 5 significant figure. And this is your answer. Understood? Okay, now come on the B part. And B part is 0.028030. So how many significant figure are here? As we know that the 0 before the non-zero digits are not significant. It means we cannot count these 2 zeros. So we will start counting from 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know that the 0 after the non-zero in a decimal place, in a decimal number, the 0 after the non-zero digits are significant. It means this 0 is significant. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This number is also 5 significant figure. Understood better? Okay, now C part is your task. Think about it and write down the answer. Fine? Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2 is round off each of the following to the number of significant figure as given in the bracket. So round off. Question number 2. A part is 7 to 8 and they are saying that round off this number to 2 significant figure. So the given number is in 3 significant figure, 1, 2, 3. So they are saying that round off 2 significant figure. It means we will start counting from the left side, 1, 2. So 7, 2, highlight it, underline this one, and then in the next step, circle the next digit. And the next digit is greater than 5. It means we will add 1 into 2. It will become 7, 3 and 0. Fine. So according to situation, 7, 3, 0, this is your answer. And the 0 is not significant because they are saying that 2 significant figures, 7 and 3. These are the significant, but 0 is not significant, but we will write 0 here according to situation. Fine. And this is your answer. Understood better? Okay. Now come on the part C. And part C is question 2. C part 0.00301885 and they are saying that round of 4 significant figure. So beta, according to rule, as we know that in a decimal number, the zeros before the non-zero digits are not significant. It means we will not count these 3 digits. So we will start counting from the 3. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0.003018. Underline this digit and then write down. In the next step, circle the next digit. And 5. So what we will do? We will add 1 into the 8. So it will become 9. 8 will become 9. Then 1. They will remain same. And so how many significant figures are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is your final answer. Fine? Understood better? Okay. Now E part. E part is 9.9994 times 9 and they are saying that round off to the nearest 3 significant figure. So beta, how many significant figure are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and they are saying that round off 3 significant figure. So beta, 9, 1 we will start counting from the left side as usual, 1, 2, 3. So 9.99, underline this digit, 9. And in next step, circle the next digit. And then the 9 is greater than 5. The circle digit is greater than 5. Then we will add 1 into the underlined digit. So 9 will become 10, 0. And then 1 will carry to the 9. And 9 plus 1 it will become again 0. Then point and then 1 will add into the 9. It will become 10. So 10.00 it means this is your, and they are saying that 3 significant figure. And as we know that the zeros after the non-zero in a decimal number are significant. It means we will write 10.0 just. This is not significant. 3 significant figure. This is your answer. Understood beta? Now do the practice of these other parts in your notebook, and the rest all the parts are your task. Okay, now come on the question number 4. Okay, now question number 4 is evaluate each of the following and correct your answer to the number of significant figure as given in the bracket. Again, okay, the first part is question 4. First part, the given value is 1 divided by 9, and they are saying that round of this number to 4 significant figure. So 1 by 99. First we will divide 1 divided by 99, so 0.0.01001. We will stop here. Fine. So they are saying that round of 4 significant figures, that's why we will write at least 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. No, 4 significant figures, we will start counting from here. 1 2 3 and 4. 0.01010. Underline this digit, and then the next digit will circle, and 1 is less than 5, so it's mean 0.01010. This is your final answer. Understood beta? Okay, and come to the last part. Okay, we are doing question number 4, and the last part, D part, is 3.91 cube minus 2.1 divided by 6.41, and they are saying that round off to 2 significant figure. So beta, first we will simplify this question. 3.91 cube means 3.91 will multiply 3 times. 3.91 multiply 3.91, and then minus 2.1 divided by 6.41. Now multiply this digit 3 times. So 3.91 multiply 3.91 multiply 3.91. So 59.776 minus 2.1 divided by 6.41. Then subtract 2.1 from 59.77 minus 2.1, 57.676 divided by 6.41, and then divide by 6.41, 8.998. 8.998. Fine. And they are saying that no, round off this answer to 2 significant figure. So beta, 8.99, 2 significant figure, 1 2. So underline this digit, and then 8.99, circle the next digit. So 8.9 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 into the 9. It will become 10, and then 1 will add into the 8. It will become 9. 9.0. This is your final answer. Understood beta? Okay, now do the practice of these other parts in your notebook. Okay beta, and question number 5. What is the greatest number of sweets that can be bought with $2 if each sweet costs 30 cents? If each means the one sweet cost, the cost of one sweet is 30 cents, then how many sweets will come $2? So question 5. And beta, keep in mind that $1, it means $1 is equal to 100 cents. Then $2 will become how many cents? 200 cents. So according to statement, they are saying that the cost of e-sweet, if the cost of e-sweet is equal to 30 cents, then how many sweets will come in $2, it means 200 cents. Then in 200 cents, the number of sweets will come. So how will you do? 200 divided by 30. Cents will divide with cancel with the cents, so 0 will cancel with the 0. So 20 divided by 3, and when we will divide 20 by 3, 3 6 are 18, and then 2, put the point, write on 0, 0, 3 6 are 18, again 2 0, so 6.66. It means the greatest number of sweets are 6. Number of sweets are 6. We can buy greater number of sweets 6, and this is your final answer. Fine. Now come on the next question 6. Okay, look at the question number 6. The area of the square is 264 centimeters square. Find the length and the perimeter, as we have already done example. So question number 6. The area of the square. Square shape means all the sides are same. So this side is length, then this must be length, all the sides same. So area means the space inside the figure is 264 centimeters square. Centimeter square, meter square, these are the units for area. Fine. Now they are saying that in first part find the length, and in second part they are asking about the perimeter. Now length, how we can find the length as the area is given. So first we will write the area formula. Area of square is equal to length multiply length. So it will become length square. Okay. Now area of the square is given. Write on 264 centimeters square, and now we are finding the just L. Now what we will do? We will take the square root on both sides. To take the square root of 264 centimeter square and the square root of L square. And as we know that the value of square root is 1 by 2. So put the value of square root and find out the square root of 264. So we can find the square root of 264 by prime factorization method. Fine. 64 16.25 centimeter is equal to length. This is the side of one side of the square. One side of the square is 16.25 centimeter. So this is the 16, so it must be 16.25 centimeter. 16.25 centimeter. 16.25 centimeter. Now find out the perimeter. Perimeter of sphere. What is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter means the sum of outer sides. So how many sides are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means we will multiply 4 with L. You can write L plus L plus L plus L. So it will become 4L again. So 4, put the value of L, 16.25 centimeter. Now multiply and find out the answer. It is your task. Complete this question in your notebook. Understood, beta? Okay.
Science and rules for significant figures. Significant figures can be frustrating in science and chemistry, but if you look at the rules, it can be fairly straightforward. Let's first go over the rules and then look at a couple examples. First, count all non-zeros. 2. Count zeros that occur between non-zeros. 3, and this trips up a lot of people, leading zeros are not significant. For example, 0.004, you would only count the 4 as a significant figure. Trailing zeros, if there is a decimal, count them. If there is not a decimal, do not count the trailing zeros. Okay, so now let's look at a couple examples and apply the rules. Up first is 3.8. This one is fairly straightforward. You have 2 non-zeros, so it would be 2 significant figures. 10.3. Okay, what do we do with the 0? Remember, if it's between non-zeros, the 1 and the 3, then you count it. It is 3. This next one, 0.0630, you have 2 rules that apply. First, you would not count the leading 0, and you do count the trailing 0, so you have 3. The reason why you count the trailing 0 is that you have a decimal. Okay, this next one, 2,000 and 12,000. Okay, well, remember, you do not count the trailing zeros if you don't have a decimal, so it is 3. Okay, this next one, 2.040, it has a decimal, so you count the trailing zeros, so that is 4. And finally, this last one, 9.0. Don't get tripped up by this one. It would be easy to just say 1, but you have a decimal and a trailing 0, so you would count it. So that would be 2. So there we go, rules for significant figures. Thanks for watching, and Moo Moo Math Upload.